Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today we will discuss about management of natural resources. Okay. So we have learned till now about some natural resources like soil, air, water, and how various components are cycled over and over in nature. Okay, and in the previous chapter we have also learnt about pollution of these resources because of some of our activities, like how ozone layer is getting depleted by us before 1987 because of the use of CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, and how garbage we are producing a lot of garbage due to our change in lifestyles. Okay, so this we have learned in the previous chapter, students. Okay, and we should also think how we ought to be using our resources. We should also think how we ought to how we ought to be using our resources to be using our resources so as to sustain the resources and conserve our environment. Okay, so we should always think of the ways in which we can use our resources so that they can last longer, and how we can conserve our environment. So this is we gonna discuss in this chapter, management of natural resources. Okay, so we often hear to read and about environmental problems. So these are often global level problems and we feel helpless to make any changes. Okay, so there are international laws and regulations also. So students, we should take care of our natural resources like soil, air and water, and we should use the resources in such a way that they should be last longer, and in that way we can conserve our environment. Okay, now let's discuss one activity. It is, see, there are a number of organizations that seek to spread awareness about our environment, and and promote activities and attitudes that led to the conservation of our environment. Conservation of our environment. Okay, so find out So what you have to do is find out these type of organizations in your neighborhood, village, town or city, and find how you can contribute to that. So I will give you example of one such organization like Teach India. Okay, so the main aim of this organization is to teach the people or the students which cannot afford their school fees. Okay, so if the students or the children of the India will become educated, so in that way also we can also conserve our environment, because learning gives a person that attitude that it can the person can think of the different ways and how he or she can save the environment. Okay, so the learning basically is the main fundamental thing which everyone should possess, or means the which everyone should have, or education is the main, is fundamental for all success. Okay, so everyone should be educated, so that is why in this way our attitudes or our mindsets towards the environment will get changed. Okay, so awareness about environment will also be there, and so in that way we can conserve our environment. Okay students, so I hope that you are pretty clear about how we can manage our natural resources. So in the next lecture we will be discussing on how we can reduce, recycle and reuse the resources around us. Okay, so stay tuned for the next lecture on reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, thank you students, happy learning.